Okay, the carrots are in the pot. The potatoes are in the pot. Now I need some salt and pepper. Henry, look at mommy. Are you building a tower? 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. Oh, it fell down.
Dada.
Yes, Dada. Good job, Henry.
Dada.
Oh, Dada is at work. David is at the office today. And your brother Mike and sister Lily are at school. It's just you and me, Henry. It is 11:30 a.m. The Amazon delivery usually comes at 11. Where is the driver? I need my new blender. I want to make a fruit smoothie for lunch. Is that the truck? No, that's just a blue car. Finally! That must be the Amazon delivery. Stay here, Henry. I will turn the heat down. Low heat, perfect. Safety first. Oh, it's very windy today. Oh my God! No, no, no! It's locked! It's locked from the inside! Henry! Henry, can you hear me? Oh, this is bad. This is very, very bad. The soup is on the stove, my baby is on the floor, and I am outside in my slippers. Wait! The spare key! David always says, Anna, we have a spare key for emergencies. It is under the mat. I know it. I put it there last month. What? It's not here! Where is the key? Under the flower pot? No. Under the stone? No. This is impossible. Did someone take it? Did a bird take it? Maybe the kitchen window is open. I always forget to lock it. Locked. Okay, the back door. Let's check the back door. Ouch! My foot! Everything is closed. Every single window. Why am I so good at locking the house today? Mrs. White! Mrs. White, please help me!
Oh, hello, Anna. You look very stressed. Would you like some tea?
No tea! I am locked out! My baby Henry is inside! The stove is on! The soup is cooking! Mrs. White, it's an emergency! Oh dear! That is a real emergency! My phone is inside! Let's call the rescue team!
Hello, ma'am. I am Ben. This is Sam. Don't worry. We are professionals.
Please, hurry! I can smell the soup from here!
This is a high security door, Ben. Look at these bolts. Yes, it's a very complex lock. If we try to pick it, it will take 1 hour.
I don't have 1 hour! My baby might be hungry or scared!
Ma'am, the only way is to take the door off. We have to remove the whole door from the hinges.
Do it! I don't care about the door! I want my baby!
Stand back, ma'am. We're on it.
Henry! Henry! Oh, my sweet boy, you're okay. The soup is perfect. It didn't burn.
Is everyone okay in here?
Yes! Thank you, Ben. Thank you, Sam. You are heroes. Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome, ma'am. But look behind you.
My house has no door.
You should call a repairman immediately. You cannot stay like this. It's cold outside, and it's not safe. I understand. I can come at 4 p.m. to take measurements. But I cannot install a new door until tomorrow morning at 8 a.m.
Tomorrow? But what about tonight?
I'm sorry, ma'am. That's the best I can do.
Lily, am I dreaming? I don't think so, Mike. Why can I see the hallway from the street?
Mom! Did you sell the door? No, I didn't sell it. The wind locked me out. and the rescuers had to take it off.
So anyone can just walk in? I will stay here and...
Well, yes. Oh no! Barnaby! Get out!
He's going into the living room!
He's jumping on the white sofa! Barnaby, no! Your paws are covered in mud! He's heading for the kitchen! My bag! He has my school bag in his mouth! He's chewing it!
I'll get him!
Mike, wait! Don't run! He thinks it's a game. Go to the fridge. Get that piece of ham from yesterday.
Hey Barnaby, look! Delicious ham! Come and get it!
Quick! Help me! We need to block the entrance.
With what?
The kitchen table! It's heavy. Mike, grab that end. Lily, help me here. There! Now the dog stays outside.
What a long day at the office. Wait, what is that? Anna? Are you building a fort? Anna? Are you building a fort?
David? Is that you? Don't move the table!
Why is our kitchen table in the doorway? And why is our door on the lawn? Why is the sofa brown? It was white this morning.
Barnaby the dog happened, Dad. And he ate my homework. Literally.
Wind, key, rescuers, dog, mud, table.
Okay, I think I need to sit down.
Dad, we are starving. Can we eat? Please, Dad, I'm so hungry. Come on, we need food now. Dad, please?
We can't use the kitchen table for dinner. It's a door now.
Okay, let's have a floor picnic. Well, at least the soup is good.
David, I can't sleep. The key wasn't under the mat. What if a thief took it?
Anna, honey, nobody wants to steal our muddy sofa.
But my jewelry, my grandmother's ring.
Okay, the ring is safe, but I'm still scared.
Don't worry. I will be the guard. I will sit here by the table all night. I have my coffee, and I have my flashlight.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am the man of the house. Go to sleep. I am awake. I am alert. No thieves will enter this house.
David, wake up. It's 8 a.m.
I'm awake. I'm fighting. Oh, hi, Anna.
Did you sleep well? Mr. Guard?
I was just resting my eyes for a second. Did anyone come in?
Only the sunlight. Look, the repairmen are here.
Wow, they're right on time.
Cool. Can we watch them? Yes, let's go see.
Wow, is that a power saw?
Yes, it is. And this is a spirit level. It tells us if the door is straight.
Why do you need so many screws?
Because a door needs to be very strong, so the wind doesn't blow it away.
Can I try?
Maybe when you are older, kid. There you go. A new extra strong door. And here are 4 keys. Don't put them under the mat.
Trust me, I won't.
Mom, Dad, I decided something. I don't want to be an astronaut anymore.
No? What do you want to be?
When I grow up, I will be a repairman. They have the best tools, and they save the day.
Just make sure you always carry a spare key in your pocket, Mike.
Key. Key.
Hey guys! Please subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell, and like this video. Thank you!